welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited. Yes, as always, I'm excited to do my cooking content. Yes, it has been a while. I've not gone to people's kitchen, and today ni ile siku. I decided, no. Let me go back to those people who know how to cook the food vizuri ambao wamezoea, so that they can do the recipe for us. And today I'm at my sister's kitchen and she's going to introduce herself.
Thank you. My name is Shalorine and Tracy is my baby sister. Welcome to my kitchen.
Yes, now Shalorine, tell us, what are you cooking for us today?
So today we are going to do Viazi Karai, which most of the people usually call it bajia, but this is Viazi Karai from the coastal people. So, straight to the ingredients. Tell us the ingredients that you are using for Viazi Karai. So our main ingredient here is potatoes. We are going to use potatoes. We have onion, salt, garlic. This is raw garlic.
Okay.
And then we have dania, which most people, as in coriander. Yes, although most people usually call it dania. And then now we have the egg yellow.
Yeah.
And we are going to use a flour.
Okay. People call the flour. Some people, it's the school that you went to. Flour. Yote ni sawa. Now straight to what we are going to do.
So first we are going to boil our potatoes. So these are already cleaned. These are cleaned potatoes. So first we are going to boil them for about 15 to 20 minutes so that they don't squash.
Okay.
Yeah, so that it's easy now to cut them.
Okay.
Yes.
So peeling, we are going first to peel before cutting them.
Yes, you're going to peel first. Once
Okay.
they are boiled.
So guys, remember to subscribe, like and share our YouTube channel.
15 minutes are done. So let us check if our potatoes are ready.
Okay, good. They're good?
Yeah, these are okay. Now our potatoes are ready. Now we are ready to peel them.
Okay.
Well cooked, huh?
So you're not supposed to cook them too much. If you just see that you can poke and then
Yes, just lightly. Yes. I'm going to peel them, huh?
Okay.
Yes. So since they're ready, all you need to do, you just ensure you peel slightly so that you don't end up wasting your food. Eh?
Okay.
Yes.
So guys, in our family we are 6. 4 girls, 2 boys. Hili ndo wakubwa, alafu sasa mimi ndo nafuata.
Find you know that when you're cooking chakula ya Mombasa, you really need your time, eh? Hakuna mbio hapa. Yes, you really need your time for prep, eh?
Okay.
Yes. Because if it's a big family and you have to do all this, eh?
Because
yes.
So meaning kama you know it inaenda kukua sapa, hii kitu unaanza kaanza kama saa 10.
Exactly.
Okay.
So that your food is ready by 7, 8 thereabout. Now I'm done peeling the potatoes. So for now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to slice them. Eh? You can either slice them into 4, depending with your preferred size. Eh? Okay. Yes. So as we slice them, I'll also need to make our paste. Eh?
Okay. And where did you learn how to cook potatoes?
I think it's I learned it from my sister-in-law. Yes. She's the one who taught me this. Now I've already diced the potatoes. So Tracy, you can proceed dicing these other potatoes as I make the flour, so that you can also be busy in the kitchen, right?
Okay.
So for now, I use flour. You said you can either say flour or flour. It depends with your nursery teacher.
Okay. I think a nursery teacher. Who was our nursery teacher? By the way, we went to the same primary school. Mine was Mrs. Ndu. You have...
Oh, my nursery teacher was Mrs. Obeto.
Obeto.
Hi, teacher, wherever you are. Yes. So I'll mix I'll use salt yes. Then I'll mix with the flour. So this one I won't say a pinch of salt. It depends also with the potato that you're going to use. Huh? Yes. Then I'll add my egg yellow.
I hope I'm cutting the right. I'm blessing the
so
right.
You can put enough egg yellow so that it turns yellow. Okay. Yes, you put enough egg yellow.
So you just be generous with egg yellow.
Yes. As much as it's going to make it turn, but just ensure that you just put enough.
Have you noticed there's some people who call this Viazi Karai bajias? What's the difference?
Bajia, you're supposed to use garam flour. This is viazi. You just use the normal flour. Because this is Viazi Karai.
Oh, the normal flour meaning ile nini? The normal flour meaning the ya kupika chapati.
Ya kupika chapati.
Okay.
Yes, ya kupika chapati. So I'm also going to cut the onions. So the onions, I'm going to use them while making the paste, okay? So ensure when you're dicing your onions, at least make them small. See here? I'll use the garlic.
By the way, guys, let me tell you something. You see, cooking is just an art and your interest. You see, Shalom has told us she learned cooking the bhajias from my sister-in-law. So
na mimi
ndo naishi nao, but because now mimi hisi kitu changu yeye amenishinda hapa, lakini kwa pilau nioni na biryani. So unaona guys, I'm telling you, it's all about interest.
Okay, so I'll put the garlic and the onions. Now I'll also cut the coriander.
And then practice. Put practice. If you just love cooking and you practice makes perfect.
Cut your coriander. Kindly try and make them small so that they can mix well when you're making a paste. So that it is evenly distributed in the paste.
And by the way, Shalom, bhajia is good eaten at what time? Is it good for breakfast? As a snack?
So for some people, they usually take it during breakfast. You can also take it as a main meal, it's no problem.
Okay.
Kwanza bhajia ukitumia your black tea, oh, very nice.
Really? When you tunapenda black tea, tell us another thing. Black tea, surely.
Yes, you have black tea or juice, there's no problem. So then
wow, yote venye amesema juice. By the way, I think I should have made for you guys tamarind juice. Please tune in to our channel. I'll show you guys how to make tamarind. Tamarind will be our next thing.
So you can either use a spoon or your whisk, there's no problem.
Yes.
Mix water.
Okay. Do you use cold water or hot?
This is cold water.
Okay. But now can you use hot water?
No, I prefer, you should do cold You should, because you're making paste
Okay.
Yes. So you can either use your spoon or a whisk.
Okay. And maybe I can be helping you out doing the paste.
Just pour for me the water. Just get it.
Nidhani utumie nini, vitunguu, garlic, ama you can just make sauce.
Si lazima, but so kitaka ikuwe tamu zaidi, weka maji mixed. Okay. Yes, hiyo ni kuongeza tu flavor.
Okay.
Yes. But most people also they just use salt, the egg yellow.
Okay.
Yes, and the flour. Yes, but for me, I prefer kekayo dania. You are sort of in a letter.
Nice flavor.
Yes, nice flavor. So another thing, so ikishakuwa hivi when you're making the paste, ukitaka vizuri iwe nzito kidogo tu, ndo hiyo paste ita align vizuri kwa the viazi. Okay. Not too puree, but isikuwe puree ni kama ya pancake. Isikuwe puree sana. Ukifanya puree sana, the potatoes need to be well coated. Yes, and utamu wa viazi ni hiyo unga umecoat nayo. Okay. Yes. So ukiweka hivyo kidogo kidogo, also ensure uchunge usikate viazi yako, because remember your potatoes are already boiled. Okay. So you use this motion to mix. Okay. Because sasa zinakuwa zimejikot vizuri mingi at once. So when you're taking them, inakuwa easy. Yes, so we use our oil. Ensure your oil is hot. Yes, ikuwe hot vizuri.
Okay, kama ile ya kupika samaki hivi. Hot.
Hiyo itakuwa vizuri so that ikiingia inaso kwanza ni vizuri.
Mafuta ni mengi ama kidogo?
But this is enough. If you have that ready pan, you can either use the tip one, but me usually prefer it.
Okay.
Yeah, since it's just homemade.
Okay. Na tena zinaingia mingi juu ni pana. It's really hot.
Then tena siri nyingine wakati unaweka kwa mafuta, wakati unaanza kupika. Yes, once you pick, some people prefer using their own hands. Wanachota hivi wakiweka. Yes, but sasa huwa unachukua hivi, unachukua tu on the side. So I'll show you, just put it, you pick on the side, unaenda ukipick moja moja ukiweka. Inakuwa much easier. Also, you taught me something ya kwamba when you want to ensure your oil is ready, unatumia mwiko. Taster and see if the oil is ready.
Bubbles are coming out nicely.
So that
this is a hack I showed them.
Yes.
When you see like that, you know your oil is ready. Yes.
So now we can put our potatoes. It's going to be close to the fires, and so that you don't mess your kitchen because you're using a paste. So usually put one by one.
Okay.
Yes, one by one. Or even two, you can do two, but also try not to use too much paste because it's just coating.
Okay.
So that you preserve the paste for the other potatoes.
Okay.
Na pia wewe utaendelea na hizi koni, nione kama unakuwa good student. Mtu akifundishwa hesabu lazima ajaribu moja, sivyo?
So I think I can help what you put in, right? Though I see if I've learned something.
So for now, acha inaangalika kwenye tosha kwanza. So this is already.
They're already ready?
Yes. Because our potatoes are already cooked.
Okay, good. That's
so ensure you leave them crunchy. Okay, okay. So that after when they are cold, you can easily eat them even when they're cold. You don't need to
I thought that they're supposed to change to brown.
No.
Yeah.
The color should just be cool yellow. Okay. It's not brown. It's mandazi.
Okay. So umesikia guys, just a cool yellow.
Yes, cool yellow. So you see, they're well coated. Okay.
I think the second round I can want to try it out so that I see if I've learned to be a good student.
Yes. Ensure they are just slightly, not golden brown like mandazi.
Okay. We have to switch it off.
So our final product is ready. So you're going to serve. Or a stone. I think you have a stone. So you can either serve with a spoon, fork, or whatever you have.
Okay.
Yes. So I'd like you to taste.
Msijali, mimi ndo nawatestia niwaambie venye.
And my sister-in-law, wherever you are, Kazo, you'll come and comment. Kindly come and taste my bhajia, my Viazi Karai. Yes.
Okay, so mimi ndo leo, I'm doing the tasting for you guys. You can use tomato sauce, you can use tomato
kachumbari, you can use the tangerine.
Okay.
Ambayo tunasema ukwaju
sauce.
Yes.
Guys, the taste is so nice.
Over 90, over 100.
Out of 10, I give her 9.
Kwa nini?
Na mnyema kwa sababu hakutuwekea tamarind sauce. Angetuwekea tamarind sauce ndio tusikie uchachu. Lakini anyway,
hiyo tutatengeneza next time.
Next time, but anyway, she has done a good job. Thank you very much, guys. Remember to subscribe, like, and share our channel. Bye bye.